Have you ever seen a snake flick its tongue and wondered, what's that all about? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of snakes to uncover the mystery behind this peculiar behavior. Get ready to learn something new about our slithering friends. To understand why snakes flick their tongues, we first need to look at the anatomy of a snake's tongue. Unlike humans, snakes have a forked tongue, which means it's split into two tips. This unique feature plays a critical role in how they sense their environment. The forked tongue allows snakes to pick up chemical particles from the air and the ground. As they flick their tongues, these particles stick to them, providing valuable information about the surroundings. So how do snakes process the information collected by their tongues? This is where the Jacobson's organ comes into play. Located in the roof of a snake's mouth, this organ is a sophisticated chemical sensor that helps the snake analyze the particles collected by the tongue. When a snake flicks its tongue, it brings it back into its mouth, pressing it against the Jacobson's organ. This process allows the snake to smell its environment and detect the presence of prey, predators, or potential mates. For snakes, flicking their tongues is not just a quirky behavior. It's a vital tool for survival. In the wild, snakes rely heavily on their sense of smell to track down prey. By detecting chemical trails left by animals, snakes can precisely locate and hunt their next meal. This ability to sense chemical cues is especially important for species like the rattlesnake or python, which use their tongues to pinpoint the location of their prey, even in the dark. But snakes don't just use their tongues for hunting. During mating season, male snakes flick their tongues to detect pheromones released by females. This behavior helps them find potential mates and compete with other males for breeding rights. Pheromones are like nature's way of sending signals. By picking up these chemical messages, snakes can communicate with each other in a silent yet effective manner. You might be wondering, why is the snake's tongue forked? The answer lies in the forked tongue's ability to provide a directional sense. When a snake flicks its tongue, each fork picks up slightly different amounts of chemical particles. This helps the snake determine which direction a scent is coming from, much like how we use our ears to locate the direction of sound. This directional advantage allows snakes to follow scent trails with remarkable accuracy, making them efficient hunters and navigators in their environment. Now let's address some common misconceptions. Many people think that a snake's tongue is dangerous or venomous, but that's not true. The tongue is purely a sensory organ and doesn't play any role in delivering venom. So the next time you see a snake flick its tongue, you'll know it's just gathering information about its world. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of why snakes flick their tongues. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating science content.